Before you begin, remove the 2 rubber feet, the base enclosure, the battery, the M.2 solid-state drive, the power button board, the left fan, the right fan and IR board, the system board, and the display panel assembly. Removal. Remove the top cover and keyboard. Replacement. Put the top cover and keyboard face down. If you're installing a new top cover with keyboard, remove the following components from the old top cover with keyboard and install it on the new top cover with keyboard: touchpad module, left front speaker, right front speaker, fingerprint board, audio board, and rear speakers.